Hi, after testing a huge number of services from the best email marketing services category, I chose the best one for myself. It has a lot of cool features, useful tools, and hundreds of great looking templates. In this short video, I will tell you a few secrets that will be useful to you. Look closely, we are starting.
MailerLite is a platform that helps users create beautifully designed newsletters to reach different target audience segments. At the same time, no special knowledge of design or HTML is required for the email organizer. MailerLite provides a convenient content editor where you can create your own letter designs by simply dragging and dropping blocks and elements, choosing colors, fonts, and images. You can add your own images to the finished text, customize styles and colors, and at the same time, MailerLite will make sure that the message is displayed correctly without losing formatting in all major email clients. MailerLite uses its own platform for managing customer accounts, which allows you to quickly and thoroughly understand each request that comes from users. Peak load times for the service are from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. At this time, the largest number of mailing falls, but the capacity of the service makes it easy to cope with this load. The creators of the project say that until recently, MailerLite was aimed at working with databases of up to 10,000 recipients. But last week, new tariff plans were announced for 20 to 50,000 subscribers, and the service team will increase its technical capacity and send speed as needed. And sending speed as needed. At the moment, the speed of sending letters in customer mailing lists is 1,000 letters per minute. The main advantage of MailerLite is its simplicity and ease of use, combined with a low price of services. The functionality of the service at first glance is not as versatile as that of Western counterparts, but in fact most of the functions, for example such as segmentation of subscribers, A/B testing and others, are easily implemented without introducing separate functionality specifically for the data solution tasks. Mailing with MailerLite is only possible on the basis of the recipient's permission to send them letters. That is, you can send mailing to users who are registered on your website, filled out a form and gave their consent to the mailing. When uploading a new mailing list and sending the first email, all new MailerLite users go through a confirmation process. Verification and anti-spam policy of the service make it possible to minimize possible abuse and avoid unwanted mailings. The service automatically detects the type of device on which the subscriber views the received letter. MailerLite notes an increase in the number of online users who read mail in mobile clients and applications. For those who prefer to view mail on their smartphone, the MailerLite system automatically converts emails to a version for mobile phones. Another important feature of working with MailerLite is the prompt response of support. Usually, the client receives an answer within an hour if he sent a request by mail or immediately if he applied by Skype or a mobile phone. Even on weekends, all incoming requests are monitored and answered. MailerLite's service offers to automate all stages of subscriber management as much as possible. To get started with mailing lists, all you have to do is import mailing lists, and MailerLite will automatically manage copies, bounces, and unsubscribes. The service also supports the creation of subscription forms for your site and makes it possible to manage the subscriber base using its own API. Sending letters with MailerLite for all tariff plans supports a set of mandatory options. Sending speed is not less than 1,000 letters per minute. Authentication, communication with ISP, use of high-speed mail servers. Authentication, DKIM, sender ID, SPF, daily monitoring of blacklists, mailing from different IP addresses, strict subscription permission policy. Analytics of the mailings performed and the response received is no less important than the promptness and correctness of the delivery of emails. MailerLite has a number of built-in reports for analyzing data and working with sent emails, which are filled and updated in real time for each email campaign. You will be able to track who opens your mailing list, how often they click on links, whether users unsubscribe from your mailing list, monitor outdated or invalid addresses. In addition, built-in analytics tools include intuitive report tables, monitoring clicks and openings, view detailed click reports, mail bounce, unsubscribe notifications. MailerLite is actively developing in terms of integration with CRM and CMS solutions from third-party developers. In the near future, it is planned planned to integrate with Highrise CRM and Batchbook CRM. To date, MailerLite integration is available via the API for automatic subscriber import, as well as a special widget for blogs and WordPress-based sites. MailerLite subscription forms are also available, which customers can install on a standalone site or install as an application for Facebook on the page of their project or company. Until March 2012, the service provided services under a single tariff, but now the list of available mailing packages has been expanded. Within each tariff, the number of letters sent is not limited. There is only a limit on the number of subscribers in the database. MailerLite cost depends on the number of subscribers. You get unlimited emails and all platform features. If you want to try out the software, MailerLite is free for 1,000 subscribers and 12,000 emails per month. You get most of the features on the free plan. Once you get started with MailerLite, you will also have access to 24/7 live chat support, email templates, and automatic remailing. MailerLite prices and packages are extremely cheap for what you get. It's worth upgrading to the free plan and taking a look at their email marketing, forms, website builders, and marketing automation tools. The minimum tariff for the MailerLite client will cost $32 per year up to 10,000 subscribers. The maximum, $160 per year if the mailing base includes from 40 to 50,000 unique subscribers. Before ordering one of the tariffs, the opportunity to test the mailing list is available for free. The relatively low price of the basic package in MailerLite is expanded by the simplicity of the service, the absence of excessive technical costs, payment only for services without a significant commercial margin, and all this is provided by a small team of 6 people. MailerLite supports a number of payment methods for its services within the selected tariff plan. So a client can pay for services through an invoice, which is automatically generated through an account in the service, and also use WebMoney, PayPal, payment with bank cards. The payment is automatically marked in the system after it has been made. Activation of a client account after paying for the selected tariff also occurs in automatic mode. MailerLite offers a variety of support options depending on whether you have a free or a paid plan. MailerLite provides 24/7 support for both live chat and email, but online chat is only available with a paid plan. You can pay an extra $100 if you want access to a dedicated account manager and stay ahead of the line for live chat support. That sounds pretty cool considering the 10,000 subscriber plan only costs $50 a month. MailerLite seems to be more interesting in getting you to go the self-service route rather than interacting directly with their customers. Before they give you any contact detail, you must first find the answer to your question in their knowledge base. This includes the error message, which seems counterintuitive because unless you're a MailerLite developer, you are unlikely to be able to fix the error yourself. There is at least a comprehensive knowledge-based option and a suggested for you option that displays content according to the function you are using saves time. MailerLite is a smart solution for small businesses and those who are just starting to use email marketing. But now MailerLite is open for large databases and therefore for large companies. In addition to the basic mailing capabilities, users of the service get at their disposal a clear and convenient analytics toolkit that allows them to track user conversion, the bounce rate, and the main direction of subscribers' activity. And a set of tariff plans with a minimum package of up to 10,000 subscribers will save projects and companies with a small budget and a small mailing base.